In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gemini Deep Research, a tool that aims to enhance your understanding of the science behind music and how it can make completing chores a more enjoyable experience. So let's dive right in. To get started, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Google. Once you're on the Google homepage, type Google Gemini into the search bar. This step is crucial because it will help you locate the platform where the Deep Research tool is hosted. After typing in the search query, hit Enter on your keyboard to bring up the results. When the search results appear, look for the official Google Gemini website and give it a click. This will take you directly to their platform, giving you access to the tools you'll need. Once you're on the Google Gemini page, you'll want to locate the option for Deep Research. Clicking on this option is like opening a door to a wealth of information tailored to your specific research query. Now, it's time to create your prompt. In our case, we're intrigued by the question, why does music make chores more enjoyable? Thinking of your prompt as the key question you want answered will guide the tool to generate useful and insightful results. Type in the science of why music makes chores better, and make sure you clearly articulate this prompt for the best possible outcome. Next, you'll see a button labeled Submit. Go ahead and click this. This action essentially sends your query into the system, telling Gemini Deep Research to process your request and prepare a detailed research plan. After clicking, give it a moment to work its magic. Patience at this stage is rewarded with a comprehensive analysis. Once the tool has put together a plan, it's time to review it. Carefully go through the research plan presented to you. It's important to ensure the plan aligns with your intentions and provides the kind of insights you are looking to explore. This review step allows you to tweak or refine areas to better fit your needs. Finally, when you're satisfied with the research plan, look for the Start Research button and press it. Clicking this will initiate the research process, allowing Gemini to delve deep into the topic and provide thorough findings. You'll receive a detailed breakdown, possibly exploring the psychology and effect of music on task performance. And there you have it. With these steps, you can effectively use Gemini Deep Research to uncover the fascinating connections between music and our everyday chores. Happy exploring, and may your newfound insights lead to more joyful experiences while tackling your to-do list. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check back for more insightful tutorials.